How to download, install and set up NordVPN Android TV app. This is a tutorial on how to install and use the NordVPN app for Android TV. 1. Download and install the NordVPN app from this page, https://nordvpn.com/download/android-tv. 2. When the application is installed, tap to open it. 3. You will see the main menu of the application. Select Sign Up. 4. Then enter your desired credentials and select Create Account if you want to create one, or select I already have an account and log in with your NordVPN credentials. 5. You can now connect to a server with the Connect Now option. Using a complex formula that includes various server parameters, Connect Now chooses the best server for you at that moment. 6. You may be greeted with a few warning messages. They are default Android warning messages for VPN connections, and you can safely press OK on them. They may also require you to mark a checkbox in the window. 7. You can also select any of the country buttons under All Countries menu and quickly connect to a server from that country. 8. Under the Specialty Servers menu, you can find P2P, obfuscated, dedicated IP, double VPN and onion over VPN server categories. 9. Under the Settings menu, you can find other settings of the application, like Cyber SEC, select VPN protocol, allow local network discovery, and set custom DNS. 10. In the Trusted Apps section, you can add specific apps to bypass the VPN connection, also known as split tunneling. 11. And that is it. Afterward, we suggest exploring our application by following the guides on the key features.